Welcome viewers, in this video we'll see the types of sets available in the sets relation function, one of the topic in mathematics. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic types of sets. The first one is empty set or void set. Empty set means a set containing no elements. The null elements are not available. The no elements are there mean it is denoted by empty set or void set. That is denoted by pi or set of open and closing braces. Nothing available inside. Right? So the set containing no element, it's called a empty set or void set denoted by pi or set of open and close the braces without any element. Then finite set. The number of elements in the set is finite. That is, the elements available in the set is finite. For example, you can say some of the example. Red color flowers, that is defined one, finite one. So we can easily identify red color flowers available in the garden, or yellow color flowers available in the garden is a finite one, right? So the number of elements in the set is finite means it is called a finite set. We can easily identify the numbers, then it is called finite, right? The age greater than 70, the number of boys available in this class is finite set. We can easily count the number of boys in the class, number of girls in the class, it is a finite set. The number of boys in a city, that also finite set, right? Then infinite set. The number of elements in the set is not finite. It's not finite. What is that? The beautiful flowers in Ooty garden is there infinite. We don't know which is the beautiful flower. Red color flower in Ooty garden is a finite one. We can easily count what are all the red color flowers. That is the finite one. But beautiful flower mean we don't know. Similarly, the old age person in Tamil Nadu, that's it's a infinite. We don't know who is old age, right? Similarly, the good boys, the boys having about 70 mark in this class is the finite one. But the students having the some other term means is a infinite, right? So the best example is red color flower in Ooty garden is finite one. Beautiful flower in Ooty garden is infinite. We don't know which is beautiful. It's not clearly defined, right? Then singleton set, a set containing only one element. The only one set containing only one element is called a singleton set. Now we'll go for some other types of sets. The next one is the equivalent set. Two sets having the same number of elements. The two sets are available. All the two sets having the same elements is called a equivalent set, right? Then equal set. The two set exactly having the same elements. Same element. This equal set means what are the elements available in the first set also available in the second set. But equivalent set means numbers. Only the number is same, having the same number of elements. Set 1 having 10 elements, set 2 having 10 elements. The number of elements in set 1 as well as set 2 is equal, but the elements are not equal. Only the number of elements are equal. That's called a equivalent set, right? Set 1 having 10 elements, set 2 also having 10 elements, both having 10 elements, but the elements are not equal. Only the number of elements are equal is called equivalent set. But equal set means having the same element. Set 1 having 10 elements, set 2 also having 10 elements, same element. Set 1, what are the elements available in set 1 also available in set 2, right? The number of elements as well as the elements are equal. Then it is called a equal set, right? So there is a difference. Equivalent set mean only number of elements are equal. Equal set mean number of elements as well as the elements also equal. Then important thing is subset. We have subset and proper subset. One of the important term in the sets, types of sets. The subset. A set X is a subset of Y if every element of X is also a element of Y, right? What is the symbol? X subset of Y. What is the meaning? Y is the main set. In that X is the subset. What are the elements available in the X also available in Y? So that Y is the X is called a subset of the Y, right? So the symbol is X is a subset of Y. So Y is the main set. The elements available in Y, so more number of elements available in the Y. The elements available in the X also available in Y. So that X is a subset of Y. Then proper subset. X is a proper subset of Y if X proper subset of Y or X not equal to Y. Right? The X is not equal to Y. Both are not equal. Then it is called a proper subset. Subset means the elements what available in the X also available in Y. So that X is called a subset of Y. But it's a proper subset. Right? Not available. X is not equal to Y. Right? So subset, proper subset is very important. The symbol is clearly given. Here this side, here more elements available. Some of the elements in Y also available in X. Right? So that X is the subset of Y. This is a main set. Elements available in the main set, few elements available in X. So that X is the subset of Y. Then power set. The set of all subsets of A is a power of set of A. That's called a power set. A set of all subsets of A. The A is the main set having all subset. That is a power of set A. That is called a power set. Then universal set. A set contain all the element under consideration. Right? Universal means it's containing all the elements under consideration. If you take any object, any statement that contain all the element, that is called a the set is also called a under consideration. That's called a universal set. Right? So in this video we discuss about the types of sets available. Empty set means not having any element. Finite set means it will give the clear-cut idea. Red flowers in Ooty garden is a finite set. Beautiful flower in a Ooty garden is infinite set. The beautiful flower we cannot define easily. Singleton set means only one element available. Equivalent set means number of elements are equal. Equal set means number of elements also equal and elements also equal. Same elements are available. Subset means one main set is there. Some of the elements available in the main set available in another set. That is called a subset. Proper subset means not equal. Both are not equal. Power set means if you have the set A, all the subsets of A is the power of A. That is called a power set. Then we have universal set. Contain all the element under consideration without any neglection. You contain all the elements means it's called a universal set. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.